Thanks for checking in here on this Wednesday. I'm meteorologist Todd Nelson with a look at your national coast-to-coast forecast. And our winter storm will be wrapping up across the Midwest and the Great Lakes today and tonight. Still some additional accumulations which could be heavier closer to the Great Lakes region. But on the south and more unsettled side of the storm system, the severe threat will be fading a little bit. Not quite as intense as it was yesterday, but still a marginal threat from the mid-Atlantic down into the Florida Panhandle. Cooler temperatures, though, will be working into the backside of the storm system as we take you through the rest of the end of the week. There's your marginal threat today, again sliding into the southeastern quarter of the nation. Some damaging winds, the primary threat, maybe some isolated tornadoes, but that tornado threat has pretty much wrapped up. The heavier rainfall will continue to slide east. Still may be looking at some 2 to 3+ inch tallies. There goes that snow really winding down tonight, early tomorrow morning. And then that colder air will be sliding into the backside of the storm system, taking us through the rest of the end of the week. Now that Pacific flow remains pretty active. Impulses of energy breaking off of that main flow and sliding back into the Midwest. Temperatures will be cold enough for additional minor snowfall accumulations through the end of the week. But 5-day precipitation forecast, again, generally what we see today, tonight, and even early Thursday will be found here from northern Florida into the Outer Banks of 2 to 3+. A little bit of additional precipitation in the form of snow across the far north, and then still some pretty decent moisture in the Pacific Northwest. The northern Cascades, the northern Rockies, seeing some of the heaviest snowfall tallies there, and snow winding down this afternoon and evening across the Great Lakes. And then there's our 6 to 10 day temperature outlook, which actually brings us into closer to the middle part of February. Again, much cooler than average down in portions of Florida. But today, it is going to be a little bit warmer along the eastern seaboard, about 10 to almost 20 degrees above average. Cooling off in the Four Corners in the central U.S. Temperature today there in Denver at 28, 23 in Minneapolis. Snow will be wrapping up, and some heavy rain shifting up into portions of the east and northeastern U.S.